Press on several times continuously until that speed is displayed, and press OT to enter the setting of display speed. Press on to select required speed, and confirm by pressing OT. Press on several times continuously until the stab is displayed and press OT to enter the setting of stability. Press on to select required stability, and confirm by pressing OT. Press CAL and the balance will start internal calibration. Zero the balance and press on several times continuously until the AUTOCAL is displayed. Press OT to enter and use on to select the desired time mode of automatic internal calibration. Then press OT to confirm. Zero the balance and press on several times continuously until the ECAL is displayed. Press OT and place the calibration weight on the pan after CAL to 100 is flashing display. External calibration is completed when to 100 gram is displayed. Zero the balance in the no load. Open the glass door and place the sample on the pan, then close the glass door. Read the value after it stabilizes. Open the glass door and place the container on the pan, then close the glass door. Press OT to Tara after the displayed value stabilizes. Open the glass door and place the sample in the container, then close the glass door. Read the value after it stabilizes. Zero the balance and press on several times continuously until the COU is displayed. Press OT and use on to select the quantity. Then put the corresponding quantity of samples on the pan and press OT to confirm. Put the sample to be counted on the pan and read the value. Press on and OT to return to the weighing page. Zero the balance and press on several times continuously until PCT is displayed. Press OT to enter, then put the reference sample on the pan after PCT 100 PCT is displayed and confirm by pressing OT. Put the sample on the pan after 100 PCT is displayed and read the value.